Alright guys, a little preview video here. Full video's coming later of today's findings, but I had a delivery today. This is going to be my first R454B system. Got a customer, it's the one I saved, who got an expensive quote from the large company. A video from, I believe, 3 days ago. This is the ream AC we're going to install along with the ream coil. It's an RA13 NY36AJ1NA 454B AC, straight AC. And this is the 454B coil, RCFY 3617 STANMC coil. So that's going to be probably, I told her it's going to be, I'm going to go out on Saturday and do it for her because her kids got a graduation party, so we want to make the place cool for them. They got me this cool Rhino black line set. I like that. They're the rugged, easy pull kind. And then he even threw in, he didn't charge me for this, he threw in one of their adapters. It's probably the reverse thread adapters, left-handed adapter for these new 454B. So this came from Keller Air, who's not my normal distributor. This is where I get my ream stuff. And then John Stone is bringing me a canister of refrigerant. And then off Amazon, I ordered up a new set of gauges for the new refrigerants, and some more of these adapters. I got like 3 or 4 of them because, you know, you're going to need them off your tank, and you're going to need them to connect to the unit as well. So I got 3. I think I got 3 more of them. So I got 4 now. That's cool. That'll get me by, and we should be rocking and rolling. But I want to show you that real quick. My first 454B system I'm going to put in, finally. I was able to get refrigerant from Johnson, so it's not a big deal. I don't want to install Goodman just so I can do R32. Let's install better systems. I don't care if it's 454B anymore. That's just me. All right, I'll quit rambling. But yeah, wanted to let you guys know I'm on the gravy train with the 454B, I guess, for now.